Once again, guys, this time with the hoses for the windshield wipers for the windshield liquid replaced. These are the old ones from rubber. You can see one here. They had cracks, although I tried to replace them, or at least to cut the damaged part. And these are the new ones from silicone. They were advertised. They also come with all the connections, but those I will not use for now. So this is how it looks. It is quite okay, and I will not put this let's say zip ties anymore, because they they didn't do much thing. They were more something in the way than to be of help, and these are really well fixed in place. I mean, they will not go anywhere. This old rubber one, although it doesn't leak, I don't know how to replace it, because you can see how it goes there under the bonnet, and somehow I guess it reaches the washer liquid tank. I really don't know how to do that for sure. I would need to take out the entire bonnet of the engine. Let's make a short test before placing back the soundproofing material, that panel. Perfect so far. For sure I must reload the washer liquid. Make sure there are no leaks. And put back those 4 special pins. They still work, so it's really cool. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you have a car that all of the sudden seems to not throw the washer liquid as high as possible, and you see let's say mold in your soundproofing panel on the bonnet, in case you have one. Definitely check it out and replace them. It is really a waste of money. The washer, especially in the winter time, it is not cheap. So if half of it goes on the ground, it's really a shame and a waste. Not to mention, if you go on the highway, you will not have the pressure to have the water, the liquid, spread all over the windshield. You will need to use more liquid, so it's let's say a really bad circle. And of course, the thing that can be really bad is damaging your engine. So for me, I checked it only after I saw in the last hour that there was washer liquid on top of the entire map sensor with all those electric connections, and I didn't knew why the car was behaving so bad. So keep this in mind. Once again, I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next ones. May your cars run well and without any issues whatsoever. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.